Situation. So how do you see the situation in Lapangap?
Now it is cool at Kham. Now it is cool at Kham. I've already instructed the district administration to be more vigilant, and not only that, to be always in touch with the counterpart from Assam side.
But what is involvement of NGOs in this, or how did it exactly happen? Because this is mainly from Meghalaya that started, right?
No, it happens just because of what thing. Because from the other side of our counterpart, three plantation happened. I think it was a slight mistake from their side, from the counterpart side, because they did not inform our district administration. In fact, the MOU signed mutually agreed between both the state. In any places which is differences continue, any developmental activities, be it plantation or be it construction or whatever, this has to be mutually informed. Let the district administration of Meghalaya also knows, and even the district administration of Assam also knows each other. So I think just because of that communication gap, then yesterday this kind of things happened. But I assure you that from now on, this will never happen.
Lapangap falls under the differences of area?
Yeah, it is the stretch of that area of differences.
So will Meghalaya government register a protest with Assam over this incident, sir?
Yes, of course, why not? Even CM has already spoken to the counterpart.
Thank you, sir.